Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add camera widget to your Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen so you can quickly launch custom camera. Okay, let's get started guys. I have opened my home screen, and first of all, we need to tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen, and the screen will look like this, and you have to choose the widgets. In this widget, you need to select the camera widget, this one, tap on the camera, and then you can click on the custom camera, and I'm going to click on add. Okay, and before we add it to our home screen, we can customize the camera. For the starting mode, I'm just going to select rear, and I'm going to open this camera to take like portrait photo. I'm gonna select portrait, and then I'm going to select the widget background. I'm going to select an image. I'm just going to select, for example, this one. Okay, and after that, we're going to click on save. And I'm going to show you how we can quickly access our camera with this custom camera widget. I'm going to tap on that, and after that, the camera will be opened quickly on the portrait mode, just like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add custom camera widget to Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.